Now, the fourth way that we're paid in TRVL is the lifestyle bonus. Now, as you develop teams that generate 15,000 points or more in volume per month, you're going to qualify to make bonuses of anywhere from $1,000 up to $100,000 per month. Okay, and this is the way that works. These are paid on achieved ranks. You'll notice here the rank of Ruby, 15,000 points. Well, folks, that's as few as 150 people that are qualified at the Jet Setter Pack. Well, when that happens, our company is going to start sending you a lifestyle bonus of $1,000 per month. Now, we could have very well done a car bonus program where we would encourage you to go out and, incur a car payment and that kind of thing. But we wanted this to actually enhance your lifestyle. You may find that $1,000 is something that'll help you to maybe pay your kids' school tuition or maybe take a spouse off of a job. But as you advance up the compensation plan, you'll notice that this can even be greater and greater and greater. In fact, there is a 1/3 rule, and that 1/3 rule simply says that no more than 1/3 of the volume needed can come from any one leg of business. Like Ruby, for instance, okay, you need 15,000 points. Well, no more than 5,000 points will be counted from any one leg of business. So this is very, very important. But as you rank up, you're obviously going to bank up. Why? Because you become a diamond, $5,000 per month. You become a blue diamond, that's going to pay you only from the lifestyle bonus, $10,000 per month. And again, you'll notice that it advances up to as much as $100,000 per month. So this can be very life-changing. This is another way for you to build a good long-term monthly residual income. So this is the fourth way that we get paid.